These are just some of the discs. That there's a corn disc. As you can see, it's got the slots around it. There's a part number on there. I think that's a 24 slot one there. You got another set of discs here. This is a double row round for chickpeas, which is another great idea. 4mm. They're 4mm hole. These ones here are the small canola ones. I think this is a 1.2mm hole for canola, which so the vacuum sucks on this side and the seed actually gets stuck on this side. Yeah, contrary to what you think, you'd think it'd sit in the V there, but in the countersunk there, but it doesn't. It actually gets sucked on that side. There's about 17 or 18 different sorts of plates you can get. There's sorghum, and there's that's the corn one again, and there's the cotton ones. I think the cotton ones are actually in those other row units. So. But that's as simple as it is, and this system, that's actually called the linear release system. The seed is turning round, and it's in here, so when it turns around it's just getting released down onto your tube, and away it goes. Very, very, very simple, and that's why we can get the speed with these things.